Hello, my name is Ken Harrison. I'm the President and CEO of G&B Corporation. G&B has been designated as an essential business, and we are open and willing and able to help all of our customers. Some of the exciting things that we do in this difficult period of COVID-19 is that we help to manufacture components that get used in the manufacture of the COVID-19 test kits. There are other things too that we've had a number of customers approach us and tell us what we do here is very important to them. And for this reason, we are essential. Things from military and security and defense to medical devices and other vacuum products, what we do here at G&B is really important to the COVID-19 pandemic. So the products that we're manufacturing here are helping COVID-19 efforts, as well as keeping our country secure. Heroes come in many different job descriptions. And here at G&B, I'm very proud of our workers who show up to work every day throughout this entire pandemic. And it is really comforting to know that they really are stepping up and doing a great job. Some of the comments that I've heard from our employees are, it is really rewarding to be participating in the efforts here to help prevent and stop COVID-19. Each of us are trying to make a difference in the lives of those around us and to provide test kits and to make sure that other people are safe. It's really a rewarding situation, doing our little part in all of this. Not all heroes wear capes. Throughout this pandemic, many people have stepped up in all different capacities and situations. There have been people that had to work at home in difficult situations because their children were at home and they're trying to homeschool. There are people that have had loved ones who are sick, or they themselves have gotten sick. And ultimately, some people have even had to deal with the death of their friends or loved ones. There are nurses and doctors and others who have been under great emotional stress. So throughout this, many people have stepped up and are part of the heroes and the group of heroes that are helping to stop the spread. Here at G&B, we're taking appropriate steps to make sure that everybody is healthy. Fortunately, no one has tested positive, and we are continuing to work. We're making sure that we have social distancing and a lot of cleaning procedures and all of the necessary requirements to take the actions that are necessary and appropriate in this difficult time. I want to say a big thank you to all of our customers who have stuck with us and continue to order products during this time. There have been some delays and some challenges, but we're working very carefully to get through all of those. I want to say a big thank you to all of the employees that are continuing to work. And we all are in this together, we're working together, and looking forward to the time that things go back to normal again.